Dividing fractions can be broken down into 3 simple steps. The first step is to keep the first fraction. The second step is to change the division sign into a multiplication sign. And the final step is to flip the second fraction. So let's put this into action. Here I have 3 different problems, and in each problem I chose a different way of representing the division sign just to show you that it can work for any of these. So in this first problem, determine what needs to be kept right here. This 1/2 needs to be kept, and then we'll determine what do we need to change. Well, we'll change the division sign, and then we will flip this final fraction. So when rewriting this, keep the 1/2, change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and then flip the final fraction. So to flip it, all we're doing is swapping these. Alright, now we just have a multiplication problem, and to do that we multiply across the top, keep the division, multiply across the bottom, and we have 3/4 as our answer. Alright, here we're doing the exact same thing. Keep this time, this is change and flip, and this is the other way you can represent the division. And so we keep 7/8. We will change that division sign to a multiplication sign, and we will flip the 1/3 to 3/1, which will give us 21. Oh, so I messed up writing that. 21/8 as our final answer. So now, what if you're given a fraction of fractions? Well, a fraction of fractions is the same as a division problem, and you can keep it as I have it right here if you want, or if it's easier to you, you can rewrite it to look like one of these. And so I'm going to keep it as it is, just so it's the same. So in this case, we want to keep the top, change the sign, and flip the bottom. And so when we're rewriting that, we're going to keep the 5/2, change the sign to a multiplication sign, and flip the bottom. And in the end, we will get 15/14.